The issue is, as soon as you start scaling, you're going to have a software that's going to fall over, or you're going to be using a tool that's not built for that. If you're currently using an in-house built system, or things like Google Sheets or Excel files, or maybe even an Access database, you've probably done it for one of two reasons. One, cost. It's probably fairly cheap to set up, but as a business grows, you'll notice that costs start to increase, and you also end up creating some single points of failure, usually IT staff. The other reason you might have done it is just for ease. If you're a small startup, then it makes sense to go for something that's pretty easy to adopt and pretty easy to maintain yourself. The issue is, as soon as you start scaling, you're going to have a software that's going to fall over, or you're going to be using a tool that's not built for that. Moving to something like Clarus gives you the ability to maintain that kind of bespoke approach, albeit with that architecture needed to scale your business effectively. One of the things you're probably apprehensive about is the onboarding process and that implementation time. We take as much of that strain as possible. We've got a team of field experts that come onto your site, understand your processes, have a look at your current operations and current systems, and their job is to transpose that across to the way that you now operate in Clarus. Our field solutions consultants also will give you the insight that they've gathered from doing hundreds of projects with large companies across Europe. So if you're a scaling business, for example, you could benefit from learning from some of the tier 1 operations that we work with, jumping straight into something that is completely unique to you, but also tried and tested by some of the largest operations.